Oh my gosh! What just happened?
I think the elevator just stopped.
Okay. We gotta think what we can do. What we can do. Okay, let me think.
We can just...
Wait, let me... Well, are you gonna do anything?
I don't know, maybe you could, like, call some... I don't know.
Dude, we're trapped in an elevator. You gotta think of something. Okay. Think of something. Okay. Oh, emergency phone. Oh, emergency phone. Okay. What the heck? What kind of elevator service is this?
Well, we are in kind of a bad part of town, so, you know, they might not...
So, I mean, could this get any worse? Oh my gosh. Oh, what was that?
The lights went out.
Dang it! Now I'm gonna be late for pottery class because I'm stuck in a broken elevator with a girl who can't even think of anything. What was that? Huh? What did you just say? Do you have something to say to my face?
No, I'm fine.
That's what I thought. Okay.
You know, I might actually think that we could just, you know...
Shut up, Zana. Now is not the time. And what kind of name is Zana anyway? Who names their child Zana? It sounds like a drug or a xylophone or a music thing. I don't even know.
Well, what's your name?
Kiwi!
Kiwi? Your parents named you Kiwi?
Do you have a problem with that?
Well... Never mind.
Obviously, you're not helping, so just shush while I think of a good idea. Okay. Oh, look, someone's getting upset, aren't they? Well, are you gonna start crying?
You know what? I've been standing here the whole time with you while this elevator broke, and I've been listening to your big mouth talk the whole time.
Whoa. Don't you dare call my mouth big. It is over average, okay? So, just stop.
I wasn't even talking about your mouth. I can't even see your mouth. It's pitch black in here. You know what? I don't even care. I don't even care.
What did you just say to me? You know, this whole entire this whole entire time we've been stuck in the elevator, and you have just been standing here, and maybe, if you can, think of a great idea. Well, I'm trying to think of an idea. So you know what? Just be quiet so I can have some peace and quiet while I try to think of an idea, okay? Sound good?
You know, I actually do have an idea.
You know what? I'm tired of hearing your voice, so just be quiet so I can have my peace and quiet, okay? Just...
You know what? You can't have your peace and quiet because you're going to listen to me now. Did you know that there is an emergency button right on this thing that opens the elevator? I've had that idea the whole time. If you would have just let me talk once, maybe we'd be out of here instead of listening to you talk this whole time, okay? And you know what? Kiwi is the stupidest name ever. I haven't heard a stupider name than Kiwi.
You know what? Glad I never have to see you ever again.
Yeah.
Goodbye.